Okay, this weekend I'm gonna try to clean up and organize my front yard, my messy front yard. Look at all this crap. So this is the front of my porch. Okay, so lots of crap here that I need to clean up. Shit all over the places. I think I did clean up a little bit, you know, but it looks like I have a lot more work to do. Yep. Shit all over the places. Okay. So, avocado here. Pineapple, store bought. And that is the mango, Phoenix mango. Okay. Then this is the papaya, the mountain papaya, which I haven't planted yet into the ground yet. And I will be doing it today. Some herbs. And this one is weed. I'm going to pull it out. And then peas. Need to pull that out too. Okay. So I started planting some citrus along the fence here in a straight line so that I can walk. And I sort of organized this also a little bit. Didn't have all time to do all of them, so everything's all a freaking mess. Looks so. My neighbor told me that it looks really ghetto. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'm determined to clean it up. So some kind of chili. And this is the what is it? Oh shit. Forgot what's it called. Maybe I ate too much cherimoya. Starting to lose memories. Anyway, really messy shit all over, different things. Need to clean it up. This one from seed, some kind of antimoya. I start from seed a couple of years already. Fruit is really sweet, and first year actually you get to taste the fruit, and not so sure what to make of it. My mom seems to like it because she loves sweet stuff. I don't like it that much because it's just too sweet for me. And then this one is Chinese parsley. Got some bees here. So the front yard is just mostly cherimoya and veggies and citrus. Okay, so lots of crap all over. So I'm trying to organize it, that they're like in straight rows. So I started with these 3 rows here, as you can see. Looks kind of, somewhat straight or a little bit organized. So, and they're just mostly tomatoes. tomatoes. So my plants have tomato, all the veggies, tomatoes, eggplant, chilies in the front yard because if I put it in the backyard, the chicken will attack them. So they will eat all of it, including the tomato plants. So that's why, you know, they need to be in the front. And these are eggplants, the long eggplant, the purple long eggplants, and this other one is a Thai eggplant. Okay. So this one I got as a trade. Some kind of raspberry vines. And that plant is arrowroot. Charlie gave it to me, I guess. So I just cleaned my car yesterday. So that's why this is there. Now I have to put it back into the car. So that takes work and time. And then, yeah, mostly, cherimoya. Oh yeah, avocado from seed as well. No avocados yet. What I did here is I tried to grill the avocado to force it to bloom, but I guess it doesn't work. I have to give it another try and see if that will work, because I think my dad did it to a tree when he was living in San Francisco. My dad passed away already, but a couple of years ago, he actually did it to this tree, and like then all of a sudden there's like this huge blooms on the tree. So I'm trying to force it to bloom. Is avocado tree, which I bought the fruit from Costco and then just threw the seeds in. So there's a couple of trees here, and then my dragon fruit, and then all this mess, shit, need to clean up. There you go. And then I just bought that that trellis, which I'm putting it together for the dragon fruit to climb up. Okay. So far I got a few rows here set up, and then I'm gonna have maybe two more, another row like this here, and then just keep on building more and more rows that way for the mostly tomatoes plant. Okay, let's see what else I have here. So surprise, this sweet potato from last year. It died, and then it's now starting to come up. And then this is the white sapote from seed, looking pretty good. And then this is my rose apple, maybe 3-4 years old, 5, I don't remember. Still no fruits yet. I got 2 trees in one. So what I'll probably do is I'll try to use it to graft the wax shampoo onto it. Okay. So I think it will look really nice once I organize it. So this is just the front yard. So this is the before. Well, I will do it, and then I will start working, and then we'll do another video of the after and see how that looks. Okay. So now this is a pomelo, pink pomelo, which I bought a few 10 11 years ago from Home Depot or Costco, I don't remember. Home Depot. And well, I'm not quite sure Home Depot or Costco, but so this is how big it is, because for some reason when I plant it into the ground, I think the gopher attacks it, and it just doesn't do well. So I had to put it back into the pot, and it has, fruits, but I don't know why the rind is so huge and the fruit is so small like a golf ball, and the rind is like fucking 5 times bigger than the fruit. So I don't know, because I didn't water enough or what. So yeah, really messy. So it's gonna be a lot of work. So it's a 3-day weekend. I will have some time to work on it. Oopsie. So I just planted these tomatoes last night. These were planted last night. Took them out of the greenhouse. I started them a little bit late, and my tomatoes were late. And this one I got it from a trade. So they started theirs earlier, and I had a late start. So, and I bought these blueberries from Costco, $17. Not bad. Don't have any luck with blueberries either. I got a couple plants that died on me. So, giving it another try and see. So this is another plant I traded. Let's see. I'm gonna remove the yellow leaves. Okay. Remove all the yellow leaves, so the plant will be healthy looking. There you go. Okay, and this one has got seeds. Surprise. Some kind of a, I don't know what's it called. I don't remember the name. Spinach? I don't know. But this definitely is a spinach. And then this is my Vicks plant. Maybe I need to water a little bit more. Okay, so this rack is for doing dishes outdoor here. And those are my compost that I'm using for the plants.